In reality, law of gravity, if I leave this marker, is it going to be fall down or not? If I
Yes,
leave
sir.
this marker, is it going to fall down or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, why it's falling down? Why it's falling down?
Gravity.
No.
Law of gravity. Law of gravity. Law of gravity is real or not?
Yes.
Real. The same way, law of attraction is also real, dosta. Is also real. Don't keep 0.00001% doubt also. Whatever you want in your life is going to be happen. Universe is always going to provide. Universe never going to feel it's a small dream or bigger dream. And the only thing is, you have to keep a bigger dream, ask clearly, believe fully. Compulsory it's going to be happen. You should believe first. And then visualize every day. Watering it every day is going to be happen in your life, anything. Sir, that thing is not happen in my life means, if any person is coming, sir, that thing is not happen in my life, means you didn't thought. అరే నువ్వు అనుకోలే, అనుకుంటే జరిగి ఉండేది. You didn't think about that. That's why it's not happen in your life. Sir, no, sir. I thought already, but still nothing happened, sir. You thought already, but you didn't believe that thing is going to be happen. There is a doubt. You have the doubt. It may happen or may not happen. You may have the doubt. That's why. Like, no, sir. Definitely I have the belief. Then obviously, you may forget to water it. You may forget to water it. That is the bigger problem for most of the people. I hope you can understand my point, right?
Yes.
Dosto.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the bigger problem in our life. So occasionally we are going to think about that. Occasionally, ఎప్పుడో గుర్తొచ్చినప్పుడు 3 months once or 6 months once, occasionally we are going to think about that. Then how it is going to be happen in reality, man. The missing points. Remember that. Sir, I thought multiple times, sir. Multiple times are not enough. Are you thinking about that? Are you visualizing about that every day regularly or not? That thing matters a lot. Remember this. Every day are you doing regularly or not? That thing matters a lot. Okay, so that consistent visualization makes you to reach any position. So you have to think big. You should have bigger goal you can have in your life. Because universe never going to worry, is it a small goal or bigger goal? Universe is always whatever you want, it's going to provide. Law of attraction, it's going to provide. But make sure you have to be in those thoughts only every day consistently.